Hey everybody, this is Bright Guy Hats and Reviews, and today I wanted to do an unboxing and impressions video of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is not my phone, this is someone else's phone who wanted me to unbox it, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing portion of the video. So I'm going to pull this tab off here. I like how you don't have to use any scissors or anything to open the packaging on this iPhone. And as you can see, the box is definitely smaller. The inside of the box looks pretty cool. I mean, the top of it does. But what really matters is right here, the iPhone itself, but we'll get back to that in a second. Next we have the charging cable, which is a USB-C to Lightning cable. Alright, so I'm going to hit the pause button right there. So, as you see in this box, there are no headphones and there is not a power brick. So, as you may have heard, Apple decided to leave out the power brick and the headphones from the iPhone's box and future iPhones to come. So, yes, they did leave the power brick out. And it's like people were thinking, oh, okay, yeah, we kind of get it. So, I mean, we all have these at our house. So, like, if they included, like, the cable to charge, then that's all we needed, right? Wrong. As you see in the box, that cable is a Lightning to USB-C cable. And what most people have is a power brick with USB Type A. What they used to include in the box was USB Type A to Lightning, but now they're doing USB-C to Lightning. Most people don't have a USB-C charging brick in their house if they're an iPhone user. The only products that Apple included USB-C charging bricks with is the iPad Pro and the iPad Air. So I don't know why they decided to include a USB Type-C to Lightning cord in the box. And then we have our paperwork and the Apple stickers. So there's only one Apple sticker in here and it comes with a white Apple sticker. Alright, so let's take the cover off the iPhone and wow, this is just really smooth. And it smells really good. And it looks really good. As you can see, this is the Pacific Blue color that I got here. So now let's get back to the iPhone itself. So the iPhone is kind of heavy. I mean, this is the first time I've held an iPhone this big. But it feels a bit heavy, but it feels nice in the hand. But I really like the stainless steel sides and the squared off edges, because for a while they were doing the rounded edges, but I kind of like that the flat squared edges are back and it's more of a box shape now. And I like how the back is like a matte finish instead of a glass back, so I really like that. And also I really like the way that the camera system looks on the back, because you have the flash, standard wide-angle lens, ultra-wide, and your telephoto lens, and a LiDAR scanner. So the LiDAR scanner first appeared on the iPad Pro, and when I first saw it on the iPad Pro, I was like, why do you need LiDAR on an iPad? You don't do that much photography on an iPad. Honestly, I think it's more useful on the iPhone than it is on the iPad, because you use your iPhone to do a lot more tasks with the cameras than you do on an iPad. So that's just my general take for it. But I mean, feel free to share your opinions in the comments below if you want to, or if not, that's fine. I'll link that in the description as well. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. And see you guys later. Bye.